Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. I want to show you the trade that I made today. Well, it was actually a swing trade, but I made $18,200 on, and the ticker was JAGX. So let me get rid of my camera real quick. Alright, so I'll just play the video to kind of show you, what's going on. So right here you can see, that I made $18,200, and this was a swing trade that I bought in at 14 cents. But you know what? Hold on. I want to show you guys something. This is actually how these gurus that always sell memberships, this is how that they scam people. So watch this real quick. Bam. You see that? Nothing. Just go ahead and take that out of there. Always make sure when you're looking at someone's live feed that it is truly a live feed, and not only is it connected in real-time data, but make sure the clock is working, because I've watched quite a few people that are these big time trading gurus, and they'll show these trades that they're making, and they don't ever show, when the buy and sell actually happens. They just say, hey, I bought in right here and I sold right here. And honestly, that's crap. They're lying. And I want to show you something right here too. Look. There you go. And I'll start the timer back up on the actual real video. So it's obvious that I didn't even trade this, but this is what a lot of people do. So I just want to make this quick video just to show you some of the tactics that these gurus do, and just don't get caught up in it. Don't believe their hype and their unrealistic figures. Like, if they're going to show a trade, they need to show the whole complete trade, not just tell you where they bought in at and where they sold. And if they're going to do this live, they need to make sure that all this is working, and it just has to be legit. There's been so many people on social media that have taken away credibility from others that actually do this for real, and I'm sick and tired of this. And that's why I've made this channel, is to expose some of these scams that people do, but to also show you guys how real trades actually happen. And when I make my trades, I want to show you the complete trade that I actually execute. So if this is a video that you liked, and if you feel like it's beneficial, please share it. But subscribe to my page, follow me on Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time, and thanks for watching.